जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी यशोदानंदन ब्रजजन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रजजन रंजन यमुना तीर बनचारी यमुना तीर बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रजजन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रजजन रंजन यमुना तीर बनचारी यमुना तीर बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय रामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की जय श्री कृष्ण श्री राधा कृष्ण को गोपनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड की जय वृंदावन धाम की जय नवदीप धाम की जय गंगा माई की जय जमुना माई की जय द्वारका धाम की जय स्वामी भक्तवृंद की जय और ग्लोरी टू और ग्लोरी टू थैंक यू वेरी मच
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे Hare Krishna. Today we will be hearing a lecture by His Divine Grace Dr. Swami Prabhupada, an active devotion recorded in October 1972 in London.
না না তা না মানে ওর সুমুখে হতো নিয়ম করে হতো ফের বন্ধ হয়ে গেল
কি দামোদর খারাপ থাকে
আপনি বুঝলেন না
আমি বুঝেছি আপনার
মানে
এখানে কীর্তন হোক দামোদরের কাছে
Cannot steadily remain either in sense enjoyment or in renunciation. Change is going on perpetually, and we cannot be happy in either state because of our eternal constitutional position. Sense gratification does not endure for long, and it is therefore called chapala sukha, or flickering happiness. For an example, an ordinary family man who works very hard day and night and is successful in giving comforts to the members of his family, thereby relishes a kind of mellow, but his whole advancement of material happiness immediately terminates along with his body as soon as his life is over. Death is therefore taken as the representative of God for the atheistic class of men. The devotee realizes the presence of God by devotional service, whereas the atheist realizes the presence of God in the shape of death. At death, everything is finished, and one has to begin a new chapter of life in a new situation, perhaps higher or lower than the last one.
This is very important point. The atheist class men, they say, can you show me God? There are statements from atheist class of sannyasis that he demanded his spiritual master whether he can show me God. So, God cannot be seen by such demand. It is in the Shastra, it is said, Ata Sri Krishna Namadi na bhavet graham indriya. Sri Krishna Namadi. Sri Krishna is present by his name, by his form, by his pastime, by his paraphernalia, by his quality, anything about Krishna is not different. Krishna and Krishna's name, it is the same. There is no difference. In the materialistic view, there is difference between the substance and the name. Just like water. If you are thirsty, simply if I chant water, 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 it will not quench your thirst. You require the substance water. So, similarly, a person's photograph or a statue is different from the person. If there is a photograph of a certain gentleman, and if you want to do business with the photograph, it is not possible. You will have to seek for the actual person. But in case of Krishna, it is not like that. Krishna, the person, and Krishna's name, Hare Krishna, the same thing. It is not that we are chanting Krishna, Krishna, and is Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God, it is different. No. Nama Rupe Krishna Hota. The name of Krishna and Krishna the person identical. Just like we are worshipping the form of Radha Govinda, Radha Madhav, Radha Damodar. So this form, atheists will say that this is statue. But a theist person who knows Krishna, he will see this form of Krishna not different from the original person Krishna. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he entered the Jagannath temple, he immediately fainted. Here is my Lord. Others who are going in the Jagannath temple, they are seeing something made of wood. Therefore Shastra forbids Arche Siladhi Gurusu Narmati Vaishnave Jati Buddhi Saivanar Arche Siladhi Archamurti, the form worshipped in the temple. If somebody thinks it is made of wood, it is made of stone, that is Naraki Buddhi. No devotee will say, only the non-devotee atheist class of men will say that they are worshipping wood, they are worshipping stone. But devotee knows that his worshipable Lord is present here personally. It is a question of revising or reforming the perception. The whole Krishna consciousness process is reforming or purifying the senses. Sarvapadi vinimuktam tatparatena nirmalam rishikena rishikesha sevanam bhakti ruchyate. Bhakti means to purify the senses. Premanjana churita bhakti vilochanena santas sadaiva hridayeshu vilokayan Yang Shyama Sundaram Achinta Gunasarupam Govindam Madipurusam Tamaham Bhajan. Real devotee, Santa, saintly person, their eyes are purified by the ointment of love of God. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena Shanta Sadaiva Hridayeshu Vilokana. They are saying Krishna or his worshipable God. Krishna has many forms. Ramadi Murtishu, Krishna has his form as Ramchandra, as Varaha, as Kurma, as Nishinga. Ananta Koti. Innumerable forms he has got. All of them are Krishna. So, a devotee, on account of his eyes being smeared with the ointment of love of God, he sees Krishna 24 hours within his heart. That is the vision of the devotee. Atheist class will say, where is God? Because he has no eyes to see the God. But a theist class or a devotee, he sees God, Krishna, 24 hours. He does not see anything else. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is said, Thavar Jangam Dakhe Na Dakhe Tar Murti. A devotee, Mahabhagavata, highly advanced devotee, he sees trees, but he does not see the tree, he sees Krishna. How? Has he gone mad? No. Actually he sees. But what is this tree? The tree outwardly is Krishna's energy. Your body, my body, the tree's body, the dog's body, the cat's body, What are these bodies? The bodies are made of the external material energy. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Bhumi Rapa Nalo Vayu Karma Mana Buddhi Reva Bhinname Prakriti Ashtadha. The material elements, they are simply Krishna's external energy. So as soon as a devotee sees anything material, he sees immediately the energy of Krishna, and along with the energy of Krishna, he sees immediately Krishna. Reactually, it refers to the context. Just like you are reading some portion of a book, as soon as there is some reference, immediately you see the person. Suppose you are phoning, talking on telephone with somebody. As soon as you hear the body, as soon as you hear his sound, immediately you see your friend. It is not very difficult to understand. Simply one has to know the person, or one must have the knowledge. So one who has got knowledge, perfect knowledge of the constitution of this material body, he does not see the body, he sees Krishna. So anything, Thavar Jangam. Thavar means moving, and Jangam, Thavar means not moving, and Jangam means moving. There are two classes of living entities. Some of them are moving and some of them are not moving. So a devotee either sees a living entity moving or a living entity not moving. He does not see the outward covering, but he sees within the spirit soul, part and parcel of Krishna, and without the body, the material body, he sees Krishna's energy. And because everything is in reference with Krishna, therefore he sees Krishna only, nothing else. So this is the statement in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Sthavar Jangam Dakhe na dakhe tar mud. He does not see the external form, but he sees the actual essence of the person, and that's how he sees Krishna. In the Bhagavad Gita it is confirmed. Vidya Vinaya Sampanni Brahmani Kavi Hastin Suniti cha Sapati cha Pandita Samadarshina. Pandita, those who are actually Pandit, learned, knowledge, they see everyone on the equal level. Pandita Samadarshina. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne. He sees one very learned scholar, Brahmin, and sees a cow, sees one elephant, sees one dog, sees one dog eater, the lowest of the humankind. But he is Samadarshina. He sees every one of them as spirit soul, the body as Krishna's energy. Therefore he has no different vision for different persons. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Pandita Samadarshana. This is called Brahma realization vision. Brahma realization go. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma na sochate na kankati. Sama sarveshu bhuteshu madhvakti ravate para. This is Brahma Bhuta vision. A Pandita. Actually, when one becomes a learned scholar, he becomes Brahma realized. That is the meaning of Brahman. Brahman means one who has realized the Brahma. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma na sochati na kankati samas sarveshu bhuteshu madbhakti lavate param. So before beginning of your devotional life, one must be Brahma realized. That is pure. That is actually the platform of devotional service. Means one must be above the Brahminical qualification. A Vaishnava. A Vaishnava, Madhbhakti Lavate Param, one who attains the devotional service, Param, Parabhakti. There are 3 stages of devotional life. Arche Shiladhi, Archayavyo Harai, Jab Pujang Sadhya Hate, Natat Bhakteshu Charneshu Savakta Prakita Smitaha. A person who is worshipping the deity in the temple with all regulatory principles, Archayang Eva Harai, Jab Pujang Sadhya, with devotion, is executing the service, but he does not know how to respect a devotee. Not that Bhakteshu. He has concentrated his mind on the Archamurti, deity, form of the Lord within the temple. That is very nice. But if he does not know how to worship a devotee, not of Bhaktesh, Jnanesh, and he does not know how to elevate other persons, Savakta Prakita Smitaha. Such kind of devotee is to be considered as material, prakita. Gradually, one has to become aprakita. So, there are different stages of devotional service. Everything is explained in the scriptures. Now, our point was that how to see Krishna in everything. Ata Sri Krishna Namadi Namavidrayam Indriya. By these blunt material senses, we cannot appreciate or we can see the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It has to be purified. Sarvopadhi vinimuktam. One must be relieved from all designation. So long one thinks that I am Hindu, I am Christian, I am Mohammedan, I am this, I am Brahmin, I am Sudra, I am Kshatriya, I am man, I am woman, I am black, I am white. These are all designations. One has to become free from all these designations. That is called Sarvopadhi Vinimuktam. If you see God, Krishna, from the Hindu angle of vision, if you see God from Christian angle of vision, then you cannot see God. That is not seeing God. You have to become free from all these designations. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us. Naham vipra najanarapati na judidva. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I am not a Brahmin. I am not a Kshatriya. I am not a Vaishya. I am not a Shudra. I am not a sannyasi. I am not a grihastha. I am not a brahmachari. Then what you are? Because within these 8 categories you are living. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, I don't belong. I am the servant of the servant of the servant of the servant of Krishna, the maintainer of the gopi. So unless you come to this stage, free from all designation, he cannot serve Krishna. Krishna accepts service from the devotee. Bhaktyama avijanati patram puspam phalam tuyam yogi bhaktya prajakshati. Krishna is not beggar that he has come to your place and asking some food from you. No. But Krishna accepts your food provided you are a devotee. That is Krishna. You can offer Krishna patram puspam phalam tuyam. You do not require to become very rich man. The poorest of the poor can offer Krishna something. What is that? Patram puspam phalam tuyam. A little flower, a little fruit, a little leaf, and little water. Everyone can collect a little flower, a little water, and from any part of the world. Not that Krishna can be worshipped in India. Krishna can be worshipped in Vrindavan. Wherever Krishna is worshipped, that is Vrindavan. Otherwise, if Krishna is not worshipped, that is not Vrindavan. So how Krishna is worshipped? Krishna says, patram puspam phalam tuyam yumi bhaktya prajakshati. Anyone who offers me these things with bhakti, with devotion, with love, tadaham asnami, then I eat. Not that a bhakta will offer something and Krishna will accept. No. Sarvapadi vinimuktam tatparatina nirmalam rishikena rishikesha sevanam bhakti vichyate. This is the definition of bhakti in the Narad Pancharatra. That when one is freed from the designation, sarvapadi vinimuktam. Sir, I am a Brahmin. Therefore, I can offer you something. No, Krishna is not exposed to anyone except to the devotee. Naham pratasa saravasya juhu maya samavritaha. Krishna is covered by Yoga Maya. He is not revealed to anyone except to the devotee. There are many other instructions in the Shastras. Atasya Krishna Namadi Namavid Grahiham Indriyai, that I explained. Krishna is not approachable by our these blunt senses, material senses, with designation. Unless one is freed from all designations. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructs, I am not a Brahmin, I am not a Shudra, I am not a Kshatriya, I am not a Brahmachari, I am not a Grihastha, but I am the servant of the servant of Krishna, who is the maintainer of the gopis. Gopi Vattu Padakamalu, Dasu Dasanu Dasa. So, Krishna is not visible to the atheist class of man. Krishna is only visible to the devotee. And the devotee sees Krishna and nothing but Krishna and 24 hours. It is not that Krishna is, a devotee sees Krishna while he is worshipping only and other time he is not seeing. No, he is seeing 24 hours. But the atheists, they ask, can you show me Krishna? Can you show me God? The reply is, have you got the eyes to see Krishna? It is not so easy, Krishna. In the Brahma Samhita, it is said, Panthastu koti satavatsa sampragamya Vayurathapi manaso munipangavana Sappastija prapadasinghnaya vichintatati Govindamadi purisam tamahang bhajami. Govinda Panthastu koti satavatsa sampragamya. Pantha means road. If you walk over the path of Krishna, suppose Krishna, there is Krishna Loka, above this material universe, there is another spiritual sky, Parabhoma. It is called Parabhoma. That is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Parastasmat bhava anya. Bhaktya bhaktya sanatana. There is another nature. As this is material nature, there is spiritual nature. And in that spiritual nature, there are innumerable spiritual planets. They are called Vaikuntha planets. And the highest Vaikuntha planet is called Krishna Loka or Goloka Vrindavan. This Vrindavan is replica of that original Vrindavan. When Krishna comes on this planet or within this universe, he comes in this Vrindavan. This is called Bhoma Vrindavan. Of course, there is no difference between Bhoma Vrindavan and Parabhoma Vrindavan. So, if we want to see Krishna, then we must be free from designation. That is the problem. Not only designation, but from all kinds of desire. Anna vilasita sunnam, jnana karman anavritam, anukullena krishnanushilanam bhakti uttama. These are the definitions given by Srila Rupa Goswami. We Gauriya Vaishnava, Madhya Gauriya Vaishnava, we are followers of Srila Rupa Goswami and others, Sarva Goswami. Sri Rupa Sanatana Bhatta Raghuna, Sri Jeev Gopala Bhatta Dasa Raghuna. এই ছয় গোসাই যার তারমই দাস। Dasavar Padureno more Panchagra. Unless one has followed strictly the path of the Swarup Goswami, we cannot accept him as Guru. Because Narottam Das Thakur says, Ei chhay Gosai jar taramoi das. One who has followed strictly the principles of Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami, of course, he lived very simply. Mendicant, a small loin cloth, and simply underneath a tree. But simply by imitating his loin cloth, one does not become Rupa Goswami. One has to follow the principles of Rupa Goswami. Then he is called Rupanuga. Unless you become Rupanuga, you cannot understand the Gaudiya philosophy. Ei chhay Gosai jar taramai das. So, this is called parampara system. Evam parampara praptam memam rajasayo vidu. If you follow the path of Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, not that simply by imitating his cloth, you must follow in principle all the rules and regulations given by Annavilasita Sunnam Jnanatanmadana become Anukullena Krishnanushilanam Bhaktiruttama. This is the definition given by Sri Rupa Goswami in his Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. So, one must be free from all material desire. You cannot earn your livelihood by showing the deity. This was not the business of Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami did not do any business by showing the deity. Therefore, you have to follow strictly the principles of Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. Then you become Rupanuga Vaishnava. And Narottam Das Thakur says, one who is following the principles of the Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami, Taramai, I accept him as spiritual master. Dasavar Padureno Mora Panchaga. এই ছয় গোসাই যাবে ব্রজে কইলা বাস, রাধা কৃষ্ণ নিত্য লীলা করিলা প্রকাশ। So, Radha Krishna Nitya Lila Karila Prakash, by writing so many books, hundreds of books, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, especially Jiva Goswami, Nana Shastra Vichara nahi to nipuno, Sadharma Sangasthapako, Lokanam Hitakarina. They wrote books for the benefit of the whole world. Lokanam Hitakarina. They did not write books only for the Hindus or for the persons who are in India or Vrindavan. Lokanam Hitakarina. Nana Shastra Vichara nahi to nipuno. They are very, very expert. You will find in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, wherever Srila Rupa Goswami has stated something, immediately has given reference on the Shastras. He did not manufacture anything which is against the Shastra. That is Rupanuga Vaishnava. So, in order to see God, in order to serve God, we have to follow. Sri Narottam Das Thakur, he has said, রূপ রঘুনাথ পদে হইবে আকুতি, তবে হাম বুঝ বসি সে যুগল পীড়িত। রূপ রঘুনাথ পদে হইবে আকুতি। Unless one becomes very, very much eager to follow the path of Srila Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, he cannot understand what is the love affairs of Radha and Krishna. Without following the principles of Rupa Goswami, if we want to understand what is Radha and Krishna, then we shall understand ordinary boys and girls have there. That's not Radha Krishna. Therefore, in the Shastra it is said, Ata Sri Krishna Namadi Navavid Gayam Indriya. Do not try to understand Radha and Krishna with the blunt eyes and senses. Try to understand through the instruction of Srila Rupa Goswami, Srila Sanatana Goswami, Srila Sanatana Bhatta Raghunath, Srijiv Gopala Bhatta Dasa Raghunath. So, this is the process. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, which I have translated into English, Nectar of Devotion, is very important book. It is the science of devotional service. If you want to be engaged in devotional service, then you must read the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and then we shall be able to see God. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Bilochane. By following the rules and regulations and the direction laid down in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, you shall be gradually elevated to the platform of loving God. Srila Rupa Goswami therefore says, Adau Shraddha, Adau Shraddha. First of all, faith. That is the basic principle. And this word Shraddha has been described in the Chaitanya Charitamrita by Kaviraj Goswami. Shraddha Shabde Vishwas Sudhira Nishcha Krishne Bhakti Koile Sarva Karma Krita Hor. This is called Shraddha. That if I surrender to Krishna, then all business of my life is done. This is called Shraddha. Not that sometimes I worship Lord Krishna, sometimes Lord Shiva, sometimes Goddess Kali, sometimes this, sometimes that. That is not Shraddha. Shraddha means Sudhira Nishchay, Vishwas. What is that Vishwas? Krishna Bhakti Koile Sarva Karma Krita. If I worship only Krishna, then all other duties are performed automatically. The example is just like if you pour water on the root of the tree, the transmission of the water is automatically done to the other branches, leaves and everything. If you supply food to the stomach, then the energy is distributed automatically to the eyes, ears and other parts of the body. Similarly, if you simply offer Krishna, surrender and worship Him, Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mamekam Saranam Vraja, then you worship all other demigods. You don't have to exert yourself for worshipping other demigods. That is automatically done. Therefore the whole concentration should be given to Krishna. That is the specific significance of Vrindavan. In Vrindavan, simply Krishna, worshipable. Aradha Bhagavan, Brajasatana, that is the vision of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that Aradhya, worshipable deity, worshipable God, is Brajasatana, the son of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna. Aradha Bhagavan Brajasatanaya Taddhamam Vrindavanam. As Krishna is worshipped, similarly his place, Vrindavan, is also worshipped. Ramya Kachi Dupasada Brajavadhu Varga Bhija Kalpi. There is no more better form of worship than it was conceived by the damsels of Braja. Srimad Bhagavatam Mamalam Puranam, and the books, authoritative literature to understand Krishna and his service is Srimad Bhagavatam. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam. This is the mission of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Krishna consciousness movement is exactly following the principles of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. So, the atheist class, they cannot see Krishna. They will see Krishna at a certain time. What is that? That is described in the Bhagavad Gita. Mrityu sarva harascha ham. When there will be death, when death will take away all our possessions, at that time we can see Krishna. Just like Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu was atheist. He could not see God. He was godless. But at the last, he saw God in the form of Nrsimhadev. That is also being father of Prahlad Maharaj. Otherwise it was not possible. So, God is everywhere. Krishna is everywhere. Annantarastham paramanuchayantarastham ekapasau rachayatam jagadanna koti jat shaktirasti jagadanna chayajadantam. That's all. Otherwise, you can see God everywhere. He is within the atom. What to speak of other? Simply, you have to smear your eyes with the ointment of love of God, Krishna. And if you want to come to that stage, then you have to follow the instruction given by Srila Rupa Goswami in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Someone makes arrangements during this lifetime for others to render service to Krishna, but if the whole purpose of his arrangement is to simply maintain his family, and if he's still attached to sense gratification, at the time of death, even though he has attraction for sense gratification, will he attain a higher birth in the family of Vaishnavas in his next life, anything like this?
No. Those who are engaged in devotional service, if they cannot finish their business in this life, they are given chance next life to get birth in a Vaishnava family. Not all. Yoga Bhrashta Sanjaya, Suchinang Simatang Ki. Those who could not finish Yoga Bhrashta, Bhakti Yoga, if he falls down while executing, he has no loss. Because even if he falls down, his life next life is guaranteed in a nice family. Suchinang Sumatange, either in rich family or in a devotee's family. So, both ways he gets the chance of having a human form of life, and if he is born in a Vaishnava family, naturally he becomes Vaishnava. And if he takes his birth in a rich family, he has no problem for his bread. He can exclusively engage himself in devotional service, provided he gets the assistance of a bona fide spiritual master. So your answer is question is answered.
Like if someone has a temple and he simply maintains a deity
Yes.
for his personal self-gratification,
That's all right. He is Kanishtadhikari, so gradually he will be elevated to the Madhyamadhikari and then Uttamadhikari. So, in Krishna's service, either he does this way or that way, there is no law. It is only gain. That is the statement of Narada. Tattva sadanmam charanambujam hari bhajanna bhaktato patettato yadi kumarartha abhut amusra. Even one falls down, there is no loss. Because he will get a chance next life to begin from the point where he failed. So there is no loss. Whereas others, because they did not know what is Krishna, simply work very nicely. They are fruitless life. There is no gain. Uvartha apto avadatam sadhanam. Even if one executes his occupational duties very nicely, because he is not devotee, what is the gain of his life? He does not gain anything. These are the verses in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Where?
Sure, what is the highest principle of the Goswamis by following which one is assured of attaining love of Sri Krishna?
Goswami is controller of the sense, controller of the mind, controller of the tongue, controller of the genital, controller of anger. So many things he has to control, then he becomes Goswami. Vacha Vegam, Krodha Vegam, Udara Vegam, Upastha Vegam, Manaso Vegam, Hitan Vegan Visayita Dhira, Prithiving Sasishya. After becoming Goswami, he can make disciples all over the world. Hare Krishna.
Today is the beginning of Urja Brahma. Could you describe what that is? Urja Brahma. How it should be described?
What do you say?
He wants to know
Urja
Vrata. He wants you to describe what it is.
and how it should be described.
Urja Vrata, you chant Hare Krishna 24 hours, 1 month. That's all.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Yes. Don't sleep, don't eat. This is Urja. Can you execute?
Right.
Yes.
I may have missed the point about the atheist. He sees God at the time of death. Does he see the form of Krishna at the time of death?
No, at the form of death. Krishna has many forms. So death is also Krishna's form. Ji jathavan prabodhante, tang tataiva vajamaha. One who has become inimical to Krishna, Krishna appears as enemy, just like he appeared as Narasimha Deva to Hiranyakashipu. So, Hiranyakashipu was very great personality. He was father of Prahlad Maharaj. The ordinary man they fear the death. That fearful, their meeting with the fearfulness is their meeting with Krishna. All right, chant Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. We'll be discussing nectar devotion. This is recorded on October 18, 1972. This is reading from Nectar of Devotion. Padma Purasam cannot study remain in the sense of education or initiation. Change is going on perpetually, and we cannot be happy neither still because of our internal constant position, since gratification does not endure for long, and it is therefore called Chakra Sukha, the flickering happiness. For example, ordinary family, one works hard very hard and night and successful in giving comfort to members of family, thereby relations all come measures. This whole advancement of material happiness immediately terminates when the body is as life is over. Chakra Sukha, death is therefore taken as a representative of God for the theistic class of man. The devotee realizes the presence of God in by devotional service, whereas the devotee for death. At death, everything is finished. One has to begin the new chapter of life in new situation, perhaps higher or lower than the last one. Supposedly, yes, this point is a very important point. The theistic man say that, can you show me the God? There's something that is calls sannyas even. He demands his spiritual master whether he can show me God. So, God cannot be seen with such demand. Shastra says, Sri Krishna Namadi na bhavid grahyam indriya. Sri Krishna Namadi. Krishna is present in the name and form and pastimes and paraphernalia and qualities. Anything is about Krishna is not different. Krishna and Krishna's names are the same. There is no difference. In the materialistic view, there is a difference between the substance and the name. Just like water. If you thirsty, chant water, 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 you will not quench your thirst. You require substance of water. Similarly, as person photograph, our status is different from the person. If there is a photograph or a certain gentleman, if you want to do business with the photograph, it is not possible. You have to seek for the actual person. But in case of Krishna, it is not like that. Krishna is person, Krishna's name, Krishna, Hare Krishna, the same thing. It is not that we are chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna, and this Krishna, the Supreme Person of God is different. No. Namarupa Krishna Vada. The name of Krishna and Krishna is identical. Just like we are worshipping the form of Radha Govind and Radha Krishna, Radha Rashmi Hari in this form, they will say that this statue, but they are theistic person. Who knows Krishna, he will see this form Krishna, not different from original person Krishna. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when in Jagannath temple, he immediately fainted, here is my Lord. Others who are going to Jagannath temple, they only see the wood. Therefore, Sastra forbid, Arche Sila Dhir Siladhir Guru Snaramati Vaishnava Jati Buddhi Sayeva Naraka. Archa Siladhir, Archa Murti, the form of worship temple is somebody thinks is made of wood, is made of stone, and is Naraka Buddhi. The demon will stay. Only the non-devotees, this class of men, will say that there is worshipable wood and their worship is stone. But devotees know that worshipable Lord is present in his personality. It is question of revising or reforming the perception. Whole Krishna mindset is purifying the senses. Sarva Padvinar Muktam Pritha Nirmala Rishikesha Sevanam Bhakti Richade. Bhakti means purifying the senses. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Virochanena Santa Sadavardeya Jagayanti Pasham Sundarachinta Gunaswarabam Govinda Madhakrisham Tamaham Bhajami. Real devotee, Santa devotees, their eyes purified ultimately with love of Krishna. Premanjana Churita. They are seeing Krishna as a worshipable God. Krishna has many forms. Rama Murtishu. Krishna has his forms Lord Ramachandra, Varaha, Mura, Narasimha, Ananta, many individual forms. All of them are Krishna. So a devotee, one can, on account of his eyes made with the ointment of love, he sees Krishna 24 hours within his heart. That is the reason of a devotee. This class, where is God? Because he has no eyes to see God. It is a Radhistic or class devotee sees God, Krishna 24 hours. He does not see anything else. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita said, Stavara Jangama Deke Nadeke Tara Murti. A devotee, Mahabhagavat, highly advanced devotee, you can see trees, does not see tree, he sees Krishna. How can it be done? Is mad or what? No, actually he sees. But what is the tree? The tree outwardly, the Krishna's energy. Your body, my body, the tree's body, the dog, cat's body, what are these bodies? The body is made of external material energy. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Bhumi Rapu Nalavaya Kamano Buddhi Revacha. Binna Me Prakriti Ashtada. These metal elements, they are simply Krishna's external energy. So, As soon as Krishna sees material or sees immediately with image of Krishna, as long as one, along with this energy of Krishna, he immediately Krishna, he sees immediately Krishna reactory. With reference to the context, just like you are reading some portion of a book, as soon as some reference, immediately you see a person. Suppose you are phoning, talking to telephone with somebody. As soon as they hear the body, as soon as hear the body, as soon as hear the sound, immediately you see your friend. It's not very difficult to understand. Simply one has to know the person, or one must have the knowledge. So one has to got knowledge, perfect knowledge and constitution of the material body, and he does not see the body, but he sees Krishna. So anything stavara jangama, stavara means moving, jangama stavara means not moving. Stavara means not moving, stavara jangama means moving. There is two classes of living entities, some of them are moving, some are immovable. Devotee either is moving or non-moving, does not say outward covering, but he is within the spirit soul, part and parcel of Krishna, without the body, material body. He sees Krishna, he is Krishna's energies, because everything refers to with Krishna. Therefore, he sees Krishna only, nothing else. So this statement is Chaitanya Charitamrita, Savara Jagama Dekana Deke Murti. He does not see external form, but he sees the actual sense in the person. Therefore, he sees Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita confirmed. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmaneka Vistini Suri Chaiva Sabhagecha Pandita Samadarshana. Pandita means he was actually Pandita, so learned knowledge, he sees everything equal. That is, he sees only learned scholar, Brahmana, cow, elephant, a dog at a lower, all are same level. The spirit soul. The body as Krishna's in it. Therefore, he has no different, is no different person. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmanika Vestini. This is called Brahma realization, Brahma relation. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma, Nasavachitana Kangasama Sarva Bhuteshu, Mad Bhakti Malabade Param, the 18th chapter, 50 verse. This Brahma Buddha vision, the Pandit actually one who becomes learned scholar, he becomes Brahmana realized. Brahmana means one who is realized the Brahman. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma, Nasavachitana Kangasama. So therefore, beginning of the pure devotional service, one must become Brahman realized. That is pure bhakti. Actually, the platform devotional service means one must have the Brahmanical qualification. Vaishnava, Mad Bhakti Labate Paraman. What is devotional service? Param Padamada. There is three state devotional service. Archayam eva haraye yat pujam sraddhaya hete nadad bhaktesu cha anye sabhaktesu prakrutaspadaha. A person who worships the deity in the temple with all regulated principles, Archayam eva haraye yat pujam sraddhaya. The devotion executing the service, but he does not know how to respect devotees. Nadad Bhakteshu, he cancels his mind, Archavarti, deities on the within temple. It is very nice, but he does not know how to worship devotees. Nadad Bhakteshu or Chanyeshu. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So Archamurti deity form, it does not deliver the person. So Bhaktis Prakruta Smada, such kind of devotees considered material Prakrutya. Generally, one has to become a Prakrita Bhakta. So there's a different stage of devotion service, everything is explained in scriptures. Now our plan was that to see Krishna everything. Ata Sri Krishna Amadi Nabhavet Grahyam Indriya. By these blunt material senses, we cannot appreciate or we cannot see Supreme Personal Godhead. It has to purify it. Sarvapad Vinirmukti, one must relieve from all designations that I am Hindu, I am Muslim, Christian, all this has to be removed. I am woman, I am not, all this has to be removed. I am white, I am all this has to be removed. And that is called Sarvapad Vinirmukti. If you see God, Krishna from Hindu angle of vision, or if you see Krishna in any other vision, there is no seeing God. You have to become free from all designations, just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught. Naham Vipra Nacha Pare Nacha Narapati Nayatirva. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I am not Brahmana, Kshatriya, neither Vaishnava, neither Sudra, Rashanyas, influence the Brahmachari. What you are, because within the 8 categories you are living. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, I don't belong to these categories. Then what you are, sir? Gopi Bhartur Padakamalu Das. I am the servant of Krishna, mentor Gopis. So unless you become to this stage, different all designations, you cannot serve Krishna. Krishna accepts service from devotees. Bhaktyama Bijanati. Patram Pusham Palam Toyim. Krishna is not bigger, but he has to come to your place and asking some food from you. But Krishna accepts food provided by devotees. That is, can offer Krishna Patram Pusham Palam Toyim. You do not require to become a rich man. That the poorest of the poor can offer Krishna. What he has to offer? Patram Pusham Palam Toyim. Patram means flower, little water. Any part of the world. Not that Krishna is worshipped in India. Krishna can worship in Vrindavan. Whereas Krishna is worshipped, that is Vrindavan. Otherwise, Krishna is not worshipped, that is not Vrindavan. So, how Krishna is worshipped? Krishna is Vatram Pusham Palam Dayam Bhakti Praise. Everyone who offers me with devotion, with love, Tad aham I accept. Not bhakti, abhakta will not suffer something. Krishna will accept no. Sarvopadi Nirvakta, Tatparvitya Nirmala, Rishikesh, Rishikesh, Bhakti Rittana. This is the definition of bhakti in the Narada Pancharada, that one who is free from the designation Sarvopadi Nirvaktam. Sir, I am Brahman, I am therefore I have something. No, Krishna is not exposed to anyone except the devotees. Naham Prakash Sarvasya. Yogamaya, Sir, Krishna is called by Yogamaya, he is not revealed to anyone except the devotees. Therefore, there are many other instructions also, Sada Krishna Amadi Bhavendriya, that I explained. Krishna is not approached by our blood sentimental sense designation unless one is free from all designation, just as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So there are not Brahmachara, I'm not servant of Krishna, who is a man. So Krishna is very visible to the atheistic class of man. And is atheistic, Krishna only visible to devotees, and the devotees of Krishna. Nothing but Krishna, the 24 hours. It is not that Krishna is a devotee, is Krishna while he is worshipped only. And other times he is not seeing. No, he is seeing 24 hours. But the atheistic say, ask, can you show me Krishna? And he show, you show me God. The reply is, have you got the eyes to see Krishna? It is not easy Krishna. The Brahma Sandhu said, Pantas the Kota Sadavatsara Samprakame, Vayu Radha Manaso Manipungamana, so Aptiyat Sapis, Govinda Madhibrasham Tamaham Bhajami. Govinda, Pantas the Kotis the Vatsara Sampragama. Pantas means road. If you walk on the path of Krishna, suppose Krishna, there Krishna Loka, the metal in Vatsara, Krishna Para Vyoma. This is Para Vyoma, this confined Bhagavad Gita, Paras Tasmad Bhavana, Na Vector Sanatana. There is another nature, this material is spiritual nature. Innumerable spiritual path, there is Vaikuntha planets, Vaikuntha has Krishna Loka, Vrindavan. Vrindavan is the original of there is no Krishna. Comes in the planet where he comes in this particular place. This is called Bhoma Vrindavan and this is Paramana Vrindavan. There is no difference. If you want to see Krishna, then you must free from designation. This is a process, not only designation from all kinds of desires. Anya Abhilasha Sunyam, Nana Karma, Dhyana Vritam, Anukulyana Krishna Piram Bhakti. There are definitions given by Srila Gaudiya Vaishnava, Madhya Gaudiya Vaishnava, and there follows Rupa Goswamis and other Goswami Goswamis. Rupa Sanatana Bhakta over there. So again, given Rupa Goswami, we are Gaudiya Vaishnava. Gaudiya Vaishnavas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami, 6 Goswamis. Narottam Das Thakur sings this bhajan. Unless one follows the path of Sadhu Goswamis, we cannot accept him as a guru. One has followed strictly the principle of Goswami, of course, he lived life very simply, mental land close and tree, but simply imitating land close one time the Guru Goswami has to follow the principles. Then it's called Rupanga. Unless you become Rupanga, you cannot understand Gaudiya philosophy. H.I. Goswami, Tara Mohidas. They called Parampara system, Evam Parampara system. They follow the path of Guru Goswami Sanatana, not that simply imitating the clothes. Following the principle of rules is very important. Anya Abhlata Shunyam, Jnana Karma Dhyana Vritam, Sunyanukulyam Sushna Silanam Bhakti Uttama. This is the definition given by Rupa Goswami with Bhakti Rasamrita. So one must be freed from all material desires. You cannot earn livelihood by showing the deity. That is not the business of Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami did not any business showing the deity. You have to follow strictly the principles of Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. Then you become Rupanuga Vaishnava. Narottam Das case, one who following the principle of Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. I accept him as spiritual master, no, not anyone else. Tan Sabara Padarino, Mora Panchagras, H.I. Gosai Yadu, Braja Koila Vilas, Radha Krishna Nithalila, Karila Prakash. So, Radha Krishna Prakash, by this writing so many books, hundreds of books, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami, Nana Sasra Vichana, Nidhana, Subhya Dharma, Samstava Lokanam Hitakarinam. They wrote the broad books to benefit the whole world. Lokanam Hitakarinam. They did not write books only for Hindus and some for Indian and Vrindavan. Lokanam Hitakarinam. Nanas, they were expert. They were Bhakti Rasam, Guru Rupa Goswami stated something. Immediately he has given reference from the Sastras. He did not manufacture anything which is against the Sastras. That is Rupanuga Vaishnava. In order to see Saru Krishna, we have to follow Narottam Das Thakur says, Rupa Raghunatha Pade Hei Akuti Kabe Hama Vijabe Na Yugala Priti. Rupa Goswami, Rupa Raghunatha Pade Hei. Unless one become very, very much eager to follow the Rupa Goswami Sanatana Goswami, he cannot understand what the effort is Radha Krishna without following the principle of Rupa Goswami. If we want to understand Radha Krishna, it is like a small, ordinary boy and girl. It is not Radha Krishna. Therefore, Sastra is said, Atha Sri Krishna Namadi, Bahya Grandha Nitindriya. Do not try to understand Radha Krishna with this blunt senses, but try to understand Krishna through the instructions of Rupa and Sanatana Goswami. Sri Rupa Sanatana Bhatta Raghunatha, Sri Jiva Gopala Bhatta Das Raghunatha. So this is a process. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, we have translated in English. Nectar Devotion is a very important book. It's a science of devotion service. We want to engage devotion service, there must be read Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and we shall then we shall be able to see God. Prema Jnana Acharita Bhakti Vilochanena. By following the rules, regulations, and the directions laid down in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, we should be gradually elevated to the platform of loving God. Sri Rupa Goswami therefore says, Ado Saddha, Ado Sadhu Sangatata, Vajana Kriya. So first of all, faith. That is the basic principle. And the Saddha which is written Saddha Kavira, Saddha Shabda Vishwasa, Saddha Nichai, Krishna Bhakti Kaile, Sarvakarta Karma. Saddha. So if surrender to Krishna, then all business of his life is done. That is called Shraddha. Not that somebody, I worship Lord Krishna, sometimes Lord Shiva, sometimes Kali, sometimes somebody else. No, Shraddha means only Krishna. So what is this Vishwasa? Shraddha means Shraddha Nishchay Vishwasa. Vishwasa means Krishna Bhakti Kaila Sarvakrita Karma Hai. And if I worship Krishna, then all duties are performed automatically. That is example. For example, if you pour water on the root of the tree, then all the limbs of the tree, the branches of the trees are automatically satisfied. Similarly, simply supply for stomach, then all the bodily parts are calculated. Simply serve, offer Krishna, surrender and worship him. Sarva dharma pritaji. Then you will worship all the other demigods. You don't have to exclude yourself and worship other demigods. That's automatically done. This is the old concentration. You should beat Krishna. That is the specific significance of Vrindavan. In Vrindavan, if you see, Krishna is worshipable. Aradhya Bhagam Rajesha Tanya. That is the vision of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That Aradhya worshipable deity, worshipable God, Rajendra Taneha, the son of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna, Aradhya Bhagavan Rajesha Taneha, the Dham Vrindavan. Krishna is worshipable, the Dham Vrindavan is also worshipable. Ramya Kachadupasanam Rajavadu Vargena Kalpitha. There is no more better than worship than it is unconditional the dance of Raja. Srimad Bhagavatam, Amalam Puranam, all these books, authoritative literatures, understand Krishna and his service in Srimad Bhagavatam. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Madamidam. This is the mission of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Krishna consciousness movement is exactly following the principle of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Yara Deke Tarake Krishna Upadesh. So atheistic class, they cannot see Krishna, they can see, they simply see Krishna at a certain time. What is the time? They only Mrityu Sarvasaham. When the death will come, when the death, they will take away all the position. At that time, they can see Krishna. Just like Hiranyakashipu was atheist, he could not see God, who was godless, but at last he is the God of Narasimha. He is also being father of Prahlad. Otherwise, it was not possible. So God is everywhere, Krishna is everywhere. Andantarastha Paramanu Chayantarastham Eko Pyaso Rachayitam Jagadanda Koting Chakturasti Jagadanda Chayantarattha. That's all. Otherwise, you can see God everywhere. He is within the atom. What to speak of other things? Simply you have to smear your eyes with the ointment of love of God. You want to come to the stage, then you have to follow the instruction given by Rupa Goswami in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. That's a proper conclusion. Question comes one devotee that if someone makes arrangement during his lifetime for others render service to Krishna, but if his whole purpose was arranged to simply maintain his life, and if he is still attached to sensory gratification at the time of death, even the attachment to sensory gratification, he will attain a higher birth in the family Vaishnava or in his next life or anything like this. No. Those who are engaged in devotional service, they cannot finish their business in this life. They are given chance in the next life to birth Vaishnava family. Not all. Yoga Brashta Sanjayata. Sujana Sunata gave. Those who could not finish Yoga Brashta, Bhakti Yoga is called while executing. He has no loss because even if he falls down, his next life guaranteed next family Sujana Sunatange. Either in rich family or devotee's family. So both ways, he gets the chance having human form life, but he born in Vaishnava family naturally becomes Vaishnava, but it takes birth in the rich family is no problem. Have his bread, he can exclusively engage in himself devotional service, provided he's got the spiritual master. Like someone has temple and the maintained deity in the personal military gratification, that's all right. He's become Kanishta Adhikari. Slowly, he will become Madhyama Adhikari, Uttam Adhikari. So Krishna's service, either he does this way or that way, there is no loss. It is only gain. That is the statement Narada. Even when falls down, there is no loss because he will get a chance in next life to begin from one point. He failed, so there is no loss. Whereas others, because they did not know Krishna, there is a loss. So even when executive occupational duties very nicely, is not devotee, then there is no gain in that. So like Prabhupada, what is the highest principle of Goswami is following which way? Sure, attend our first. Goswami is following means all controlling senses, mind, intellect, strong, and all the things. Then you become accessible, disabled all over the world. Some devotees ask the question or today is beginning the Urja Vrata. What is the Urja Vrata? Proper Urja Vrata means chant Hare Krishna 24 hours, 1 month. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. I don't sleep, don't eat. Can you execute that? I don't know. Yes, Prabhupada. Yeah, I missed the point that they speak is the Saradiya Mataji asking. The form of Krishna, that no, they don't see the form of Krishna, they see death only. The death itself is Krishna, inimical to Krishna, they say Hiranyakashipu. So that's how it's said. So this is a summary of Nectar Devotion class, Srila Prabhupada, on 18th April 2019. थैंक यू सो मच। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे